Today we're going to make some frozen banana ice cream, okay? This is a great way to use up bananas that are just beginning to turn or have gone a little bit bruised or black, okay? There's two ways to do this. It's very simple. You can either freeze the bananas beforehand, all right? Or you can use the bananas fresh, all right? It depends. If you've got a MagiMix, then you use frozen bananas. You put the frozen bananas into the MagiMix. You add your yogurt and you add a little bit of either honey or syrup, whatever you like. It's better not to use sugar as such, so I would use a nice honey or a nice syrup of some kind. But I'm just going to show you how to do this without freezing. What you do is you peel your banana, put it into your bowl, and just mash it with a fork. And really the only thing you need to do with this mixture is get it to the right consistency. All right, so mash it. Don't over mash it because you want it to have a little bit of texture, or I do. I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon just to give it some extra flavour. I'm going to add some of my honey here, which doesn't really want to come out, so there he goes. Okay, so this is quite, now if you add the honey with the frozen bananas, you might find that the honey or the syrup almost sort of freezes itself, but don't worry about that, just mix it in really well. So there you've got that, and then all I'm going to do is use some yogurt. Again, this is use as much yogurt as you feel the consistency is correct. All right, and the other way of looking at this is it's a frozen yogurt ice cream, and that's it. That's about the consistency you want, like that. Pop that in the deep freeze, let it set, and serve it with whatever you want, or just as it is. So that is your banana easy peasy ice cream. Enjoy.